I just wanted to record a quick video just to say hello and welcome, and kind of, since it's an online class, give you the opportunity to at least see my face and kind of just go over a couple things real quick as we start this course up. So number one, I wanted to show you in the syllabus, I want to point out a couple things. Number one, there's a whole big section that's here in red about assignments and collaboration. This course does have for assignments a collaboration rule, which basically means that with each assignment you submit a collaboration statement. Whether your collaboration statement is that I worked alone, or I worked alone with help from a website and listing the website, or if you got help from myself or any other SPC instructor or tutor or even other students. If you get help on an assignment from looking anywhere else, put it in there as an alibi. That way you don't get marked off possibly for plagiarism marks and stuff like that. The second thing I want to point out here is assignment submissions. All the assignments will have wording of submit a document with screenshots. Basically what that means is all assignments should be submitted in a Word document with the screenshots pasted into it and any requested code. Pretty much if not all, most of the assignments require you to paste some part of your code that you've written, not just screenshots of the programs written. This is just because this is a programming class and screenshots don't show me what your code does. If you're ever in doubt, if you have where you don't finish an assignment, especially the assignments, go through and submit your whole zip up and submit your whole project. That way you can get credit for it even if it's not running, because I can go through and read through the code and figure out what's going on. The last thing from the syllabus I wanted to point out has to do with the grading. If you notice here, half your grade is from tutorials that you're doing, and half your grade is from assignments. This is very important to note, that half your grade is from assignments, because there's only 2 assignments. There's an assignment that we do in week 1 with calculating square root, and then there's a course assignment. Between those 2 assignments, they're going to be worth approximately 50% of your grade, and the course assignment being a bulk of that. So as we go through the course, I'll give more details on the course assignment, but there is a lot of focus on it, and you'll see in week 2 that the course assignment actually gets introduced, and the requirements for that are through. There's actually a whole module set up in our shell with that'll continue to add tips as we go through the course, go through the class and give some tips on completing the course assignment. Like I said, this class, most of the assignments in this are going to be tutorials. So as you see, most of the assignments are follow the tutorial on the following page in the book, and then submit screenshots and code from different views. So as you see the tutorials, it's pretty much you're going to be following through code in the book and submitting code that's almost exactly like what it is in the book. Therefore, for grading tips, when you submit the tutorials, unless there's something like you missed something, or with that, pretty much it's going to be all or none for the points, because you are going through and following step-by-step points in the book. For the assignments are a little bit different. The assignments are stuff that you're writing on your own for your scratch. Like I said, it's got the note that it's worth more than the tutorials on here. Please pay attention to all the different things asked for, and most importantly, please pay attention to the fact that comments are something that are required in all assignments, which is this assignment in week 2 and definitely in the course assignment. If you don't comment your code, you will get points taken off for it, because this is something that should have started already in COP 2360 if you've taken that. That's pretty much it for an introduction. Again, I probably will post something else that kind of fits more through along the lines of the About Me discussion, since I have a couple other classes I talk that'll kind of give you a little bit more detail about who I am and my background. But hopefully we'll have a great course together.